Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. In this CPAGrip marketing tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the best way to promote CPAGrip offer. Okay, so I want you to stay with me to the end of this video so that you can get the full information I'm trying to pass across to you. Okay, so this is the offer we'll be promoting. It's a gift card offer from the United States in each section on CPAGrip. If you have CPAGrip account, just go to the section where it says my offer, and when you get my offer there, you are going to click on search offer for the United States, and you're going to get the particular offer that I marked here. So as you know that when promoting CPA or any affiliate product, you are not allowed to paste the actual link anywhere, especially from social media like Quora, Facebook, Twitter, and all kind of social media like that. They won't allow you. They are going to block your account or even do something worse. So the method we'll be using in this tutorial is that we are going to be using a particular tool called sniply. This is how sniply the spelling of sniply. So this is the URL. So we click on sniply. So this is how sniply looks like. This is my own dashboard over here. So the usefulness of sniply is just to allow you to embed any affiliate link you are trying to promote in any article online. So when you share the article, your affiliate link will pop up whenever anybody is reading the article online. This is the very good strategy of promoting affiliate link. So I'm going to walk you through the process of getting the right article to embed your affiliate link for this purpose of this tutorial. This is the article I'm going to be using. So you just go to Google and search for any article that tells people how to get free Amazon gift card. So when you get that particular article, you are going to copy the link of the particular article as I have done here. Then you come back to sniply here and paste the article link here and click on create. After clicking on create, it's going to take you to this page right here. So after filling all these blank spaces with the required stuff, then you're going to paste the CPAGrip link you get from the CPAGrip offer in this link that I've circled here for you. So after doing that, I think the next thing is to copy the link that sniply give you. This is the link up here. So after copying it, you are going to paste it in the Google search engine here to see how the link actually looks like. So I pasted it, and this is how the website will look like whenever you share this link. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, there's a little message down here. So when you click it, you see the message. When you click it, it's going to take them wherever is reading this article to the offer, to the CPAGrip offer that you have embedded in the sniply button there. So it's actually, because I'm from Nigeria, this is the offer available for me. So wherever the person is, if the person is from the United States, he's going to get the Amazon gift card offer. So my offer will be different due to my own country, so it doesn't matter. So this is where you are going to be promoting the offer, Quora. So you are going to search for Amazon gift card. So whenever you search for Amazon gift card, you are going to answer any question. So any question pertaining to what you have searched, which is Amazon gift card, then you are going to provide genuine answer and include the link of the website that you have used to create sniply link, and you put the link. That means the link you get from sniply after all the process you've done. So the link is going to take them to the article, and when they read it, they are going to see the little message below the article, and when they click it, they are going to get your offer. And that is the best way of promoting CPAGrip offers or any other affiliate marketing product link. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and it has added value to you, I would like you to click on the like button. It really helps me on YouTube. And if you like what the content I've bring to you today, consider subscribing to my channel. I will continue giving you this kind of content and new updates. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.